Alright, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So just got my frame sliders in and I'm about to head down to the shop just because I don't have the tools to install them. I have, you know, stuff to take the fairings off, but I don't have a torquer and all that, so I don't want to install them wrong. So about to head down to a shop and get these installed. This is how they look like. I got the shoe gun, I think they're called, frame sliders, short. So they should look like this, something like this, out of here, hopefully. They're not too big, so I'll explain to you guys the benefits of these and the bad side and all that, and how it could turn bad with these and how it could actually be a help with protecting the fairings and stuff. So stay tuned. And it's rainy, it's cold, but I still gotta go because I have an appointment and they're busy all the time, so I'm just gonna go get it done. So yeah, wish me luck. Alrighty guys, we're here at the bike shop. As you can see, we got some parked bikes up here, but they're about to do the frame sliders and they're gonna adjust the clutch because it has a lot of play in it and it's just flopping in and out. So gonna do those two and we'll be out. And guess what? The tinted windscreen came in as I was leaving and it was supposed to come in like 3-4 days, so I'm super hyped about that. When I get back home, this should take an hour or so, so for you guys it'll be a second. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right guys, so update. The guys over there said, oh, it's gonna like require taking apart the whole bike, basically both fairings, the front part, and you have to, it takes a while to get into it, blah blah blah. And they said their hourly is like $127. So yeah, it's 12:30 right now. They said maybe come back at 2, so I went around the corner just shopping. I need a mouse for my gaming setup, so yeah, about to grab a mouse here at Best Buy and go from there. So basically the frame sliders are cheaper than the installation of them, so it might be maybe 150 or so to install them, and I bought them for about 80 bucks. So yeah, that's the update for now, and I'll update you guys when I got more. Guys, I've been hitchhiking in the rain for like 30 minutes just for to walk 3 miles, and I'm wet and I'm cold and it's freezing, and these frame sliders need to finish so we can get back and take the bike home. But yeah, that's the update. I got the mouse, I got some snacks. I'm heading home. I mean, I'm heading to pick up the bike. And yeah, that's about it. We made it back. It's cold and it's 1:40 right now. I left at 12:40, so it's been an hour. Maybe they'll finish soon. I like this bike right here. Not sure what this bike is, but it's nice. Oh, it's a Honda. It's getting soaked out here. It's nice. Yeah, bike's almost done. Alrighty guys, just made it back home. I can't lie to you. Now I'll make a full video about how I feel about frame sliders, but if they're good or bad for your bike. But I'm not gonna lie, like I'm not the biggest fan of how they look, just because this bike, I wanted it to be like the cleanest Ninja 400 ever, which it is, I think, still. But I mean, you guys tell me, do you guys like those poking out like that? But I'm not a big fan of how they look, but there's no way around it, man. If you want to get some protection for at least just drops, I mean, that's how they look. They come out of there. And then this side, same thing. They ended up charging me like $180 to install them, which I think is a lot, but it is what it is. So yeah, I mean, that's the final product. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, ride safe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.